Hello friends, welcome to another unboxing video. I'm checking out this English phone booth cover, large fabric red telephone box door. It's kind of cool. So basically, you can just put this over your door and make it look like an old-time telephone booth or something like that, which is kind of cool. I think I'll be throwing this on the door here behind me. I don't know how to attach this, so it comes with these strings here as well, so you can help attach it to it. I wonder if these are individual or one long string that you have to cut. It appears to be this is one long string, so I might just be able. I'm gonna actually put this on a door right there behind me. Let's check that out. So that looks actually kind of cool. And we can just set this over the door here. But that looks pretty neat. I'm going to just hang this up here real quick. You guys can see what it looks like. Give me a second. Okay, friends, well, here we go. I have it set up here in the background. I think it looks pretty cool, actually, like an old-time telephone booth right here in my room. And just like this, I'm gonna go into my telephone booth and just disappear. So my normal closet door has been transformed into this pretty sweet, authentic looking telephone booth door. I think it's neat. It's I recommend 2 people to attach it. It's got 4 holes in the bottom, and that ribbon is 1 whole length. That'll go through the holes on the bottom and the top, and you kind of attach it to it like that. In the back, I do recommend 2 people. It was kind of difficult to hold it without the ribbon slipping out on both sides or whatever. But once you get it on there, I think it looks pretty cool, actually. The material feels like kind of a nylon, like flag type material, not some like cheap plastic or whatever. It feels like it'd be pretty durable, stand up to some different things. The eyelets are metal on there, so that's nice. So it's not going to rip it with your cloth. And it looks like we have like little single stitched fold around the edges. So pretty durable, and I think it looks really cool, actually. So thanks for watching, my friends. Hope you all have a great day, and I'll see you next time.